Hello all. So I got asked the question, can you mix DOT3 and DOT4 brake fluid together? So I thought I'd make a video on it and give a quick overview of it. And the quick answer is yes, yes you can. You can mix DOT3 and DOT4 brake fluid. But what are the main differences between the two? The main difference is the temperature it's rated to go up to and the viscosity. And so DOT3 is rated to go up to different boiling temperatures at wet and dry points. And so at a dry point, it's rated to go up to 401 degrees Fahrenheit for DOT3, DOT4 446, and DOT5 5.1 up to 500 Fahrenheit. By the way, DOT5 is not mixable. It's a different type of brake fluid, so you can't mix that. Only DOT3 and DOT4 can be mixed. Now, which one should you use? If you want the best performance, you can go with DOT4, but it's probably unnecessary. I would go with whatever the car manufacturer recommends personally. DOT3 is or DOT3 is perfectly fine for normal driving, everyday use. There's nothing wrong with that. The reason you use DOT4 is that as you're like really racing around, going down really steep hills, really sharp corner curves, or things like that, your brakes might heat up more. And so I could see a reason for having the higher DOT4 brake fluid type. But if you're just everyday driving, then it's not going to really, you're not going to see any kind of real benefit from it. So that's basically it. I just wanted to give a quick breakdown for it. I'll put links down below if you wanted to check out any of this that I'm looking at here. But the main question is, can you mix DOT3 and DOT4 brake fluid? And the answer is yes, yes you can. So if you have any questions, ask me down below and I'll try to answer them. But that's basically it. If this video helps you, please click like, please click subscribe, and have a good day.